Okay, this is to show you how to visualize the simulation result. In this project, we have a structure editor created the structure, and then the SDevice did the simulation. So we have a lot of electrical data, right? And then we also have a SVisual script to visualize the output. You should already learn everything in the HTML training material. So here, just to summarize again, how you visualize the result. First of all, you actually can visualize the results directly from the SWB. What you need to do is to right-click the node that you want to inspect. So I have some problem with my system. I cannot right-click, so I will just click on this eye icon, and then I choose Centaurus Visual Select File. When I click on that, then I will see all the output produced by the SDevice and also where I want to visualize it. For example, I have this idvgset.plt file. Then I can put it in a new SDevice instance, and then I say OK. Right. Once I click on this, then an SVisual should pop up, and then it loaded the device. Then I can plot the curve. For example, I say gate outer voltage to X, right? And then drain total currents to Y. Then I will see this IDVG curve. Right? This is, and then you can do whatever you want. For example, I can make the Y-axis to log scale like this. Okay. So you can ignore this one. Okay. Now this is one way to visualize it. If I have another curve, I can also visualize it and then overlay it on the same figure. For example, this is SWB_5. This is the, if you look at the top of this SVisual I just opened, is SWB_5, right? So I can put another curve, for example, the linear mode curve into here, right? Instead of start a new SVisual instance. I say, okay, right? Then you bring this linear curve to this window. Then again, I can plot the gate voltage, and to the x-axis, then the drain total currents to the y-axis, right? Then I can overlay two IDVG together. They are of the same structure but have different drain voltage, right? So here I can go to linear mode and saturation mode again. Okay, this is one way to visualize the result. Then why do we need SVisual? SVisual, if you try to look at the input file, again, you right click the instance, right, and then choose input file. It actually can let you write the script so that you don't have to do this clicking every time. Okay, now, so if I just run this as visual, you probably don't see anything comes up, right? So you see now it will first turn to blue, green, and then blue, and then yellow. Right, and it is running. You don't see anything. Why is that? If you right-click SVisual, choose Properties, you see because we are using the batch mode, it means that it's not going to pop up anything. You will just run the script, right? If you put it into interactive mode and then say OK, now you try to run it one more time. And I have a problem with this running node now. Okay. Right. Now I try to run it one more time, and you will see the following. Now the SVisual will pop up, and then it will display all the curves to you. Okay, so for the assignment, I suggest you to use menu mode, the first method that I told you, just to open the window and plot it instead of writing the script.